heard it a few hours ago and it's been, oh. I know everything is covered in snow. Freaking bear. Yeah, so can't breathe up here. It's like 9,300 feet. But yeah, the bear came back. Got into all of the trash. I've been trying to kick the snow off because it's too heavy. Oh, here are the claw marks from the bear. Stupid bear. Oh. Tree. I think I discovered the boom. I don't know why the sheriff is down the road. Oh, there's another reason. There's a boom. Okay. What? Probably shouldn't stand under these trees. There goes the cop. What is going on? Well, it stopped snowing and a tree fell down. That's okay. I can use that for the teepee I'm building. And now there's some strange noise coming off in the distance that I don't know what it is. Yalvin.